Hi, my name is Aaron Hebert. This is Service Learn Assignment number 2. This is for CIS 4600, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use CC Cleaner, which is a third-party tool to clean up your computer. Usually, a lot of times what happens is people don't delete their cookies, they won't delete their stuff out of their recycle bin. Just a lot of different things, the history. I mean, all that stuff can just pile up and pile up. It's kind of like if you had a file bin and you just kept putting papers in it, and as clients close out or whatnot, you don't clean it out. It just keeps piling up, and it keeps overflowing. That's kind of what happens with your computer. It just kind of overflows, and that's why sometimes your computer will run slow, or it'll shut down, it'll overheat. Just stuff like that. It just gets bogged down. It's a lot of the reason why it just gets, it just runs really slow. And in this video, you will start off with using your search engine, not search engine, your internet engine or application. And in this video, I'm going to use Mozilla Firefox and Google. You go to google.com, you type in CC Cleaner. I downloaded it from FileHippo. I know it's pretty secure. You download the latest version. Again, it's pretty simplistic. Sometimes they'll ask you if you want to download like certain things on the search bar. You should like ask me or something like that. You want to just, it's not going to kill your computer or anything like that. It's just something that'll go up on your bar up here. It can essentially just slow your computer down a little bit. So just be on the lookout for that. That can happen with a lot of downloads. It can happen with an Apple download or Microsoft download. But a lot of times you just want to make sure that, if you don't want that on there, which I don't need it on there. But pretty simplistic, pretty self-explanatory how to do that. Once it's downloaded, this is Microsoft 10. I just go here and I type in CC Cleaner like this, and it pops up, desktop app. Or you can just have it up here, kind of like these are already up there, and I can just click on them. The CC Cleaner right there. Open up CC Cleaner, and what you come up with is the cleaner right here. It'll already be on his. Under Windows, you'll see Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, Windows Explorer, the system, and more advanced stuff, which you really don't want to get into. So, for instance, it'll clear out the cache, clear out the internet history, cookies, download history, the sessions, recently typed URLs. Will not delete saved passwords and saved form information. So stuff like if you were to go to a website and save your password in there, it's not going to delete that kind of stuff. So just so you know, if it's not checked off, it's not gonna delete it. Same thing with the Internet Explorer, Windows Explorer. It just clears out anything that just like it says, temporary files, and the recycle bin, just things that that can clog up your computer and make it run slower. You have your file, and then you go to applications. You have your Firefox, your Thunderbird, Google Chrome. And anything that's not Windows based, like your Microsoft Edge and Internet Explorer, that's Windows based stuff. And this is all third party. Firefox, Thunderbird. Thunderbird's just an email client. I don't know why Windows Store shows up on here and doesn't show up in there, but for some reason in some of these applications, which are Microsoft, like the OneDrive, the Office Picture Manager, things like that. And then you got your multimedia, utilities, and what you want to do after all that, you just pretty much you want to leave everything the same. You don't want to mess with anything in the registry that you should be messing with. Trust me, you can mess it up if you mess with something in the registry. Then you want to go to analyze. Once it's on analyze and everything, it'll just go through each one of these things. And just so you know, like I have Firefox open right now. It will not be able to run Firefox if you have it open. You have to close it out. You have to have everything closed on here that is on here for it to actually do its job. Once it analyzes it, it'll tell you, hey, you can delete so and so, and it'll have all things listed on here, and then you can run cleaner. I just recently ran it, so I don't have to run it again. So you would just analyze it, run the cleaner, and then it would do its job, and then you would delete all the stuff in there and clean all the useless junk. And that's the end of this tutorial. Thank you.